The invisible molecular detective. Imagine trying to solve a mystery where the clues are completely invisible. In the world of chemistry, scientists often face this exact challenge, identifying molecules that look identical but behaves very differently. This is where high-resolution mass spectrometry or HRMS steps in as a molecular detective. It doesn't just measure molecules, it reveals their true identity with incredible precision. Today, we'll explore how HRMS goes beyond appearances and transforms the way we understand complex chemical systems. Hi, I'm Raghuveer Singh Parmar, Director Scientific Affairs at ResolveMass Laboratories Canada. At ResolveMass, we partner with innovators to de-risk complex drug development through cutting-edge analytical strategies and deep expertise in challenging molecular modalities. The problem with traditional MS. Let's begin with the problem. Traditional mass spectrometry works well, but only to a point. It struggles with something called isobaric ambiguity, where two molecules share the same nominal mass. For example, glucose and a toxic analog can both appear at 180 daltons. To a low resolution system, they look identical, but in reality, they are completely different, and this can lead to serious consequences, especially in fields like healthcare and environmental testing. Precision at another level. Now imagine upgrading from a basic weighing scale to one that can detect differences as small as 1/10,000th of a unit. That's what HRMS does. Instead of simply saying molecule weighs 100, it tells you it weighs 100.0392. This level of precision down to 0.0001 Dalton allows scientists to determine the exact molecular formula. It's like switching from blurry vision to ultra high definition clarity. Now, question comes how HRMS works. Let's break down how HRMS works in a simple way. First, the sample is ionized using techniques like ESI or MALDI. This converts molecules into charged particles. Next, these ions are separated based on their mass to charge ratio inside a highly controlled vacuum environment. Finally, advanced detectors like Orbitrap or time of flight analyzers measure these ions with extremely high accuracy. Each step is designed to ensure precision because even smallest error can lead to wrong identification. Exact mass and formula. Here is where HRMS truly shines. Two compounds may have the same nominal mass like 180 Dalton, but their exact masses are always different. For example, glucose has the exact mass of 180.0634, while another compound might be 180.1107. That tiny difference, just 0.0473, can be clearly resolved by HRMS. This allows scientists to confidentially determine the correct molecular formula, eliminating guesswork entirely. High selectivity and sensitivity. Real-world samples are messy, whether it's blood, wastewater, or food. There are thousands of compounds present. HRMS excels in these conditions. It filters out noise, separates overlapping signals, and detects compounds at extremely low concentrations, even at parts per trillion levels. This means fewer false positives and more reliable results, especially critical in safety and regulatory applications. Where HRMS is used. So where does this technology actually make a real difference? In pharmaceuticals, HRMS helps identify drug metabolites and disease biomarkers. In environmental science and food safety, it detects pollutants like PFAS and pesticide residues. And in forensics, it's used to identify unknown toxins and emerging designer drugs. In short, wherever precision matters, HRMS plays a crucial role. Let's understand one case study: toxin identification. Let's look at a real-world example. A patient arrives with severe neurotoxic symptoms like after consuming a herbal tea. Standard testing methods fail to identify the cause. Using HRMS, scientists detect a rare alkaloid present at extremely low levels, 297.1024 daltons. They confirm its molecular formula as this C18H23NO6. This precise identification allows doctors to take targeted action and ultimately saves the patient's life. That's the power of HRMS in action. Emerging insights and trends. HRMS is not just powerful, it's evolving rapidly actually. New approaches like non-targeted analysis allow scientists to detect unknown compounds without prior knowledge. Artificial intelligence is being integrated to automate data analysis and predict molecular structures. Portable HRMS devices are enabling on-site testing, and in multi-omics research, HRMS is helping build a complete picture of biological systems for personalized medicine. The future is all about deeper, faster, and smarter analysis. Why HRMS matters? At its core, HRMS represents a shift in how we understand molecules. It turns uncertainty into clarity and data into actionable insight. From saving lives to protecting the environment, its impact is far-reaching. In a world filled with complex chemical information, HRMS gives us the confidence to make the real decisions. And that's why it stands at the forefront of modern analytical science. Partner with ResolveMass Laboratories to overcome your toughest drug development challenges and move your program forward with scientifically robust solutions. Thank you so much for watching this informative session, and see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.